Hello sir, as you asking for bubble CPAP connection or video sir, we have the setup of bubble CPAP sir. First of all, here we connect the blender sir with air oxygen pipe and air pipe sir. And this is the humidifier and this is the bubble chamber sir. As we connect the sir, oxygen and air sir, air connected with compressor and oxygen with cylinder or base line sir. Now we connect the circuit. We have this circuit sir. This is our neonatal heated wire circuit sir. We connect the circuit on setup sir. First of all, this circuit in two parts sir. First part this and another part is this sir. This tubing is connected here sir. One and part in chamber and one in connector sir. Connect this port here sir. After connecting this tubing we have another tubing sir. This is the heated probe port sir. We connect this here and this tubing is connected to the patient end here sir. Now we have this patient end and this tubing is pending. This tubing connected to bubble generator. Now circuit is also completed sir. Only pending humidifier temperature or heated temperature sir. After connecting the circuit sir, we have this probe sir. Heater probe connected here sir. You can see the connector color. After connecting this port is connected here sir. Heater probe is complete sir. Now connect this cable sir. We have two sensors in this cable sir. First is this, second is this sir. This connector is connected here sir. Connected properly and fit the lock sir. Now connect this sensor here sir. Patient end and this connection is connected here sir. Now circuit and connection are also complete sir. You can see the connection and circuit sir. Now start the working sir. We have two flow meters sir. One is this, second is this sir. As we start this flow meter, we have to properly close this side connector sir. Because if there is any leakage, circuit is not working properly sir. If we rotate anti-clockwise sir, flow is increased. As we rotate clockwise, flow is decreased sir. We set the flow on 20 LPM sir. And this is the patient end and you can see the working sir. Here you connect the REM cannula or neonatal castellan sir and see the working sir. If you want to use another flow meter, then you have to close this flow meter and on this flow meter sir. Then you have to connect a green tubing with this bottle sir, and here you connect the another part of the tubing sir with a connector sir. We provide that connector and you can connect sir.